Good morning, class 6. We are in chapter Fun with Magnets, and today I'm going to teach you about the Earth's magnetism. Let's see how Earth also attract object like magnet. Why does a freely suspended magnet always come to rest in north-south direction? And this is because the Earth itself behave like a bar magnet with its magnetic pole near the geographical north and south poles. So a question obviously come in our mind that why bar magnet pointed north and south direction when they come at rest while suspending it. The south pole of this bar is near the geographical north pole, and whereas the north pole of this bar is near the geographical south pole. So we know that our earth has also two pole, north pole and south pole. If you suspend a bar magnet and observe, then you see the north pole of the bar magnet is near the geographical north pole. Okay, so the south pole of bar magnet is near to the geographical north pole, and whereas the north pole of the bar magnet is near the geographical south pole. In a freely suspended magnet, therefore, the north pole points toward the geographical north pole since it attracted by the earth's magnetic south pole. If the south pole of the bar magnet is near the geographical north pole, then north pole, south pole, we know that unlike charge attract each other. So in a freely suspended magnet, the north pole pointed toward the geographical north pole since it is attracted by the earth's magnetic south pole. Similarly, the south pole of the suspended magnet is attracted by earth's magnetic north pole and therefore poles toward the geographical south pole. You can see figure 14.7 how north pole of bar magnet attracted by geographical south pole and south pole of bar magnet is attracted by north geographical north pole. Now let us discuss about the magnetic compass. Magnets were first used as compass for showing direction. A compass consists of a magnetized needle pivoted at an end so that it is free to rotate about that point. The needle points in the north-south direction provided it is kept away from another magnet or other magnetic materials. So first of all, magnet is used in a making of compass, okay, used as compass to show direction. A compass consists of a magnetized needle, okay. When that needle come at rest, it always point north pole and south pole, north direction and south direction. The needle point in the north-south direction provided it is kept away from another magnet or other than magnetic materials. So you have to keep in mind, if there is a magnetic material near your compass, then your compass give you incorrect direction, because obviously if iron, cobalt, nickel like substance are present near the compass, then obviously magnets show their attraction property rather than showing direction property. So it can therefore be used to determine direction, and it is especially used for sailors. Okay, so it will give you correct direction, but we have to put compass away from magnetic materials. Next topic is making materials. A piece of iron can be magnetized by using magnet in the following ways. Okay, you will find that if you stroke the north pole of the magnet, the end of the iron bar from which the stroking is start, end 1, become the north pole, and the other end 2 become the south pole. If you stroke the south pole, the pole in the iron needle will be reversed, and this is known as single touch method of making magnet. So please see activity 6, where a piece of iron is there and a magnet is there. And in this topic we are talking about making of magnet. So a piece of iron can be magnetized by using magnet in following ways, and it is very simple, and the method by which a piece of iron can be magnetized by using magnet is said to be single touch method. Okay, one of method is single touch method. So in single touch method you have to stroke with a north pole of the magnet. If you stroke with the north pole of the magnet, the end of iron bar from which the stroking is start, from end 1 become the north pole, and the other in end 2 become south pole. And if you stroke with the south pole, the pole is the iron needle will be reversed. Okay, again change, south convert into north and north convert into south, and this is known as single touch method of making magnets. Please see figure 14.8.